I guess what changed is the realization of what I missed. The little sounds that make up your environment. And it made me aware of the fact that I could very easily withdraw, not be part of the world around me.
I powerlift because it's empowering, and hearing aids are power to me.
Every minute I want to get the best sensations. I want to hear the ripple of the water, the shush in the skis.
This is the Red Rock Diner. We continue right through until 4.
Next Gen Hearing is not just a company. They're my company. They're doing it for me.